It's possible to add 3D objects and another forest to area list, but only as an excluding area. To add an object, click this icon. Then, select from the scene. And to add a forest as an excluding area, click this icon. Pick the forest which we want to use to exclude items. The shape of the excluding area can be a mesh or a sphere. Also, use these arrows to scale it up or down. To add a new painting area, we first need to have a surface area. From Area Rollout, we can only toggle on and off the surface area. To add one, we need to open Surface Rollout. Click this icon. Then define whether the new paint area will be include or exclude area. Then select the brush and paint. Use the eraser to delete the unwanted parts. The paint area can be converted to spline area. If we choose the forest, we can see that it has converted to spline area. We also can change any spline area to paint area. Clicking this icon will show Painter option window. From here, we can adjust the size and strength of the painter by using values or curve. Also, it is possible to add density and scale fall-off by activating Density Scale, then turn on Preview Fall-off.